Hi, good morning, class. Okay, so as you can see, I told you I was going to have a surprise for you today. So, look, we have our calendar wall back. We have our calendar, our month, our days of the week, and even over here we have, look, there's Brad the weather guy and our weather station. So we'll be able to do all of that right here in Miss Pepper's house now. All right, so let's get started. So, what month are we in? Let's start off with that. What month do you see up here? It is April. Good job. All right. So, parents, right now is where you would pause, where we would typically pause the calendar time, and you'll go and you'll watch Jack Hartman's 12 Months of the Year, and then you'll go and watch the April song, Jack Hartman's April song, which are those links that I gave you on Monday. So, now that you're back and you've watched your month of the year song, your months of the year song, and your April song, did you guys like the April song? I thought it was pretty cool. So now we are going to do our date. We have our calendar up here, and so let's go ahead and count all of our days that we have so far and see if we can figure out what comes next. Okay. Start with number 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so right now we have 8 days on there. So let's look in our bag and let's see what comes next. All right. So I have 2 days here, as you can see, kind of. There we go. Okay, one is number 9, and one is number 10. Okay, so what day comes after number 8? Does 9 come after 8 or does 10 come after 8? Number 9, good job. All right, so we're going to put up number 9 up there. And so now let's count all of the days that we have so far in April. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job, guys. All right. So now we are going to switch over a little bit and we are going to do our days of the week. But first I wanted to show you guys something. Look, up here we have our seasons. If you remember whenever we were in school last time, we were still in winter. And I said spring was coming. If we would have had school that next week, we would have been able to change it at school, but we weren't in school. So I had to change it here at home. So we are no longer in winter anymore. What season comes after winter? We are in spring. Good job. We are now in spring. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do our days of the week. All right, so what day is today? Let's look. What do you think today is? Let's look at some of our options. Is today Wednesday or is today Thursday? What do you think? If you said Thursday, you are correct. Today is Thursday. We're almost to the end of the week. All right, so let's look and see what tomorrow will be. So if today is Thursday, what do you think tomorrow is going to be? Do you think it's going to be Friday or Saturday? What day comes after Thursday? It is Friday. Good job. All right, there we have our calendar, our day of the week up for tomorrow. So tomorrow will be Friday. Today is Thursday. That means yesterday was, let's look, was yesterday Tuesday or Wednesday? What do you think? Let's see. Was yesterday Tuesday or Wednesday? Yesterday was Wednesday. Good job. All right. So now we have all of our days of the week up. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. And tomorrow will be Friday. All right. So now, parents, is when we would pause and go and watch your days of the week in Spanish and in English. So that is what you want to do now. Pause the video and then go and watch that short video on the days of the week. And then when we come back from that, what do we do next, guys? Right, we do our weather. All right, so we have our weather. There we go. We have our weather station all set up. So what we're going to do is Miss Pepper is going to look on the, where'd it go? Oh, there. I'm going to look at the weather on the Weather Channel and see what it is. Let's see. All right, I'm going to try to see if I can't show. All right, so let's see. We are going to, there we go. We are going to do our weather. So today's weather is 86 degrees and partly cloudy. All right, so let's look at our temperature chart. First of all, look here. So here's 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. All right, so where does our arrow go? Should it go down here in the middle or up here where it's hot? What do you think? What do you think 86 degrees is? I think 86 degrees is probably hot too. So we're going to leave it right up here where it says hot. But it's going to be, today it's going to be partly cloudy. So let's look at our two options and figure out which one says partly cloudy. All right, so let's look. Is this partly cloudy? This one here? Or is this one partly cloudy? Which one do you pick? It is this one right here that says partly cloudy. See, there's some cloud and some sun, and that's what the weather is going to be like today. And that's what the weather is going to be like tomorrow. So we're going to share our partly cloudy with today's weather and tomorrow's weather. But the temperature, that's another story. So we are going to look and see the difference in temperature today and tomorrow. Today it's going to be 86 degrees. Tomorrow the high is only 67. So that is a lot cooler. So let's see what temperature we're going to put up for today. Okay, so let's start with today. Today's 86. So let's see. Which picture should I put up for our weather today? Should I put up hot or cold? 86 degrees. What do you think? Yes, I think 86 degrees is pretty hot. So we're going to put up hot for today. But now, 67 degrees, that's quite a change. So what do you think? 67, is that going to be, let's see. Is that cold, like snowy cold, or is that just cool? Yep, I think so too. I think it's going to be nice and cool tomorrow. So we're going to put cool up on our weather chart as soon as Miss Pepper gets a Velcro dot to put it up there. So now, parents, is where you would pause and you would do the Seasons of the Year song, the weather song, and the See It, Say It sign and alphabet song, which they all love, and they can all do the letters of the alphabet in sign language, which is pretty cool. So that is all I have for today for calendar. I hope y'all have a great, great day and a good Friday tomorrow and a great Easter weekend. And I will see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.